Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Oglethorpe, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Moss Oak, Mattodale, Winchester, Grove Park, Henderson, Perry, and Marshallville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA...
That caught me off guard.
The National in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elmore County, Coosa County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Thorsby to Verbena to 6 miles west of Beatsville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Fishpond, Pentonville, Lisle, Dollar, Bradford, Cottage Grove, Goodwater, Weogufka, Central, Ray, Titus, Bentleyville, Welena, Mariah, 10 Cedar Estates, Hatchet, Nicksburg, Equality, and Speed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Elmore, Alabama. The current time is 5:52. The pressure was 30.1. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the WWF54 listening area: Bullock, Chambers, Elmore, Lee, Macon, Russell, and Tallapoosa. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. We now return to our normal programming.